Timex are continuing their hot streak of vintage reissues, and today I'm unboxing their Timex Q Falcon Eye, model number TW2U95400. Sporting a shiny green dial and a 38mm stainless steel case, this watch gives off a real 70s feel and I'm a fan of it. The bracelet is also made of stainless steel and has a fine woven texture to it. There is a quartz movement in here, which I like because I probably wouldn't wear this every day anyway, so it's nice to have the movement tick over without having to wind it up or put it in the sun. But let's not forget about the face. This thing looks amazing, and when you move it around and let it catch the light, it can really shine. It has a striated green pattern that is super shiny and is probably what makes this piece stand out the most. You'll definitely have people asking about this watch as it's a real eye catcher. There is a day and date function at the 3 o'clock position, and overall this is a very functional piece. Timex are a great brand that have been producing watches for the better part of a century, so you know you'll be buying a quality, reliable timepiece when you buy Timex. If you're interested in Timex vintage reissues, click the link in the description or head on over to watchdepot.com.au and snag one for yourself.